10 Surefire Ways to Make Money Fast, a step-by-step guide. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, today we have a fascinating video on 10 surefire strategies to earn money quickly for you. Whether you want to increase your income or save money for a specific purchase, these approaches can help you reach your financial objectives. Before moving into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. So, let's start right now. Number 1. Become a rideshare driver. Uber and Lyft, which have millions of customers worldwide, provide flexible side jobs for drivers who enjoy being on the road. Simply register with a legitimate driver's license, current insurance, and an authorized vehicle. You can choose your own hours and earn a base rate, extra money for travel, time, and tips. Hotspots like crowded city centers, event centers, and airports have excellent earning potential. Number 2. Freelancing. If you want to take advantage of your computer talents and earn money, utilize it on freelancing. You can choose your own hours and pricing by connecting with hiring managers through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal. Make a profile, highlight your experience, and provide work samples. With greater expertise, you might potentially make the switch to full-time freelancing by raising your fees and demand. Start working for yourself today to regain control of your finances. Number 3. Take surveys. By completing surveys on websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Google Opinion Rewards, you can earn instant money. Spend your free time watching videos, taking quizzes, and answering surveys to earn virtual points. For instance, Survey Junkie enables you to exchange your points for money. It won't make you rich or enable you to quit your day job, but it will provide you the opportunity to earn some extra money by sharing your thoughts. Number 4. Tutor students online. Following the COVID-19 pandemic, online tutoring has gained popularity as a source of income. To locate tutoring opportunities in a variety of areas like history, mathematics, physics, and technology, use online teaching platforms like tutor.com. You can make a handsome amount of money from every session, depending on your qualifications. Also, if you are a native English speaker, think about pursuing online TEFL classes. A remote TEFL certification can lead to prospects for online teaching jobs and the opportunity to increase your income while having a positive influence. Number 5. Rent your home. Renting out your house might be a profitable strategy to quickly generate income from home. Property owners may now rent out their homes to travelers more easily than ever through websites like Airbnb. Simply register for an Airbnb account, add your house, give a thorough description with amenities, highlight nearby attractions, and upload eye-catching images. Even if your home doesn't have much spare room, you can still rent it out while you're away, like over the holidays. Maintaining your home is crucial, and services like TaskRabbit may assist with odd jobs. Renting your home provides quick and easy chances for extra cash. Number 6. Make deliveries. Making deliveries is a way to make money quickly. For delivering food, groceries, or goods to consumers, you can use services like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Postmates. Just register as a delivery driver, indicate your availability, and start taking orders. You can work on your own schedule because you have flexible hours and can choose the location of your deliveries. To increase your revenue, be on time, offer superb customer service, and organize your routes efficiently. You may profit from the rising need for convenient, on-demand services by offering deliveries, which is a good way to earn money instantly. Number 7. Sell products online. Selling items online is one efficient approach to earning money quickly. To reach a large audience, make use of websites like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and Craigslist. By using quality product photography and perfect lighting, you can raise your chances of success. Create sensory-rich, intriguing descriptions that enthrall potential customers and encourage them to make a purchase. You can produce quick and successful sales by utilizing these online selling platforms and employing convincing marketing strategies. Number 8. Help others with simple, everyday tasks. A quick approach to get money is to offer your handy services for simple tasks. Become a member of websites like TaskRabbit, where you can establish your own prices and keep all of your revenue, including tips. Cleaning, mounting TVs, and assembling furniture are examples of tasks. Start right away, but keep in mind that you might need to pay a small registration charge. It's a rewarding chance to show off your abilities, lend a hand to others, and make quick money. Number 9. Work as a virtual assistant. Work as a virtual assistant to earn extra money from home by offering assistance with administration. Employers can use virtual assistants to help with things like scheduling travel and organizing documents. You can work from home or from any appropriate location if you have a computer and a workspace. To find opportunities, look via hiring websites like Indeed or LinkedIn. Working as a virtual assistant is flexible and offers part-time and full-time options. It's a flexible role that suits people from all backgrounds. Number 10. Manage social media, SEO, or Facebook ads for clients. Managing clients' social media, search engine optimization, SEO, and Facebook ads is one potential fast-earning strategy. You may take advantage of the possibilities of online advertising by offering these services. Running Facebook advertising, enhancing SEO tactics, and managing social media campaigns effectively can result in large profits. High conversion rates and skillful performance will draw customers who are willing to give you a sizable portion of their advertising budget. Utilize your knowledge of digital marketing to take advantage of this chance to earn a sizable sum of money. And that wraps up our 10 surefire ways to make money fast. Now it's your time to pick the tactics that fit your interests and skills, then start using them right now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.